Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video, and today we're going to be playing some Roblox, but today we're going on a scam account I made myself. By the way, don't believe this. I don't know why I'm laughing about this. It's just it's gotta respond to myself. Hey, no, I was not scamming people. Okay, people. But don't. You already guys saw the message, but okay, I had to close my door because my sister was playing copyrighted music, but I have to try to scan some people. So let's go to adopt a page real quick. Okay, we are joining the game right now. I don't know how we're gonna do this. This account, it has some why is the game lagging? Okay, it's not lagging, but off this because every time I going to be recording and pass. Oh no. Guest admin heck. Buddy, why did you tattoo face? You tattooed your face onto your chest. You tattooed it. Why? You know you can't wash that thing out. Yo este gusta tosto yo me llamo Karen. Okay, I don't know what that means, but let me just say, okay, we are in this system. Let me say, I do like you. By the way, I am a killer. Me gusta el porrosa, Hanse. I think I just didn't nail that, but I have to paste this in because I want to be like a me gusta el pasta de Hanso. Now I have to get something. Okay, I'm back. And this guy says, what did the guy say? I can't see it. Hey guys, hey. I'm not gonna even try to pronounce it. I know I have the Spanish to English translator, but I'm not even gonna bother doing that. So I'm just gonna. Hey guys, I have my gear real quick. No fair. No quit. No. Guys, let me just say something that you guys will all know. Yo Tango. That means no. Yo Tango knife. Yo Tango means I have a knife. Sauce. That's gonna top a little bit creation. Stop. Ema. Online datas. Hola. Hey. Pozdrav. I'll hack you. These won't mess with me, says the girl that was literally. I joined this game before and with the same girl, and she was like online dating. Estoy Ima. Yo habla en tú? Estoy Ima. Ne. Ya. Ja pričam hrvatski. Okay. DJ Nick is going. He like kahamle. I think whatever. Što? Ne razum. Samo P. Dom. Yesy. Lee. Man, you are a noob. Bendy. Let me see Bendy real quick. Let me see. Oh, says the guy who's literally a noob too. Says the guy who is a noob. Says the guy who is a noob. Tulo SRS. Let me just find that book. Oh no, I exited out of it. I didn't exit out of it. Says the guy who's a noob too. Let me just fly real quick. Haha, you cannot catch me. Haha, I don't know why I did this all off camera, but okay. Hola! Hey, no. Hey, a noob is a person who just entered Roblox. Hey. I was a noob for a very long time. I was a noob. If you guys don't know, if you guys don't know, my first ever account was Lucas Legan, and this account was hacked. So I cannot get it back. This is the account. No. Get that out of the way. That's a virus. Never get viruses. This is my previous account. And this account has friends that I have made. Dr. Rolanda PhD is my account, and I'm Dum Dum is one of my accounts, and I don't have this item because this item is not currently for sale. I don't know why, but these are actually one of my these are games. I never joined Team Super. I did join this game. I don't know, but I did interrupted. I never joined this. Yeah, I think I did, but I don't know. I just started doing weird stuff. I wasn't that popular on this account. Nobody knew me. Yeah, I was a trainer. I actually loved the game Pokemon Fighters EX, but now I'm not in the game anymore because I hate it. I don't know. So what? I don't know. It was so weird. So what happened is before what happened. Let me just go that, please. You're a hacker, but you have not hacked me. I have actually hacked someone before, and I spent 100 Robux on their. No, I spent the most Robux I ever got hacked is spending 300 Robux, and the 300 Robux was an account, and it was on my sister's account, and I was just spending because I don't know, I had no Robux back then, and I don't know. She has the penguin now. Don't tell it. Don't tell it. Hello, people. Oh no, this guy's trying to mess me up. Hey, you cannot get me. What's this guy trying to get me? Ha 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 ha! It looks like this guy's just basically. And if you don't, oh no, he's trying to kill himself. Oh no, I have to run away. No, gotta jump. You don't guys see the water. You don't hear the water speaking, but what did I even say right there? But I have to get an editing software for this because I don't edit my videos, and I'll probably get more views if I edit my videos, and probably I'll become a more famous YouTuber, and I'm just a loser. So, but if anybody takes me in the store, why? Good luck, hacker. No, Aglas and hacker. I think that means you're not a hacker because it has no and hi and hacker. There is a Spanish word for hacker, and he knows his words. Done? I'm just in a Spanish server. I'm not literally. I'm not. This is a Spanish server, and I'm not even set. I didn't even say what you can do now. Look, so if you go under the page, you can set your page to Spanish. Hi guys. Hey guys, you're beautiful. You're beautiful people. her boyfriend. Ton on noob. Oh, that's the same guy. You are a noob too, buddy. Salte. Noob buddies. Noob buddies. And you cannot take me. That's the same guy. Look, it was such bendy. Says the guy. Wait. Nobody in the server. Nobody in the Nobody in the server, I think, has Robux. Yeah, nobody in the server has Robux. So how are you calling someone a noob when nobody even in the server has Robux? And hacker guest hack admin. Know what? You get 100 coins when you start. So he just started today playing. And know what? Wasi po natala. You can go. I don't know. I just don't know. I don't edit my videos. I don't do anything. I just we gotta see what they're doing upstairs. Oh no. If it's in that wait. You're not even here. What? My mind can't even process that. They went upstairs and somehow they're not upstairs. How? Oh no, this is when the inappropriate stuff happens. And it's open. The girl, they're upstairs. Oh, they're in bed. Oh, Tono noob. Wait, what does Tono? I gotta find out. Spanish to, no. Okay, Spanish to English. Oh, I have to go and type it. Okay, I have to put up the shoulder so nobody can kidnap me. Wait, what did he say? Ton noob. Tonto noob. Silly noob. Hey, I can understand you. And what's the early one I said? Tonto noob. Tonto noob. Tonto noob. Tonto noob. That's not even a word. Literally, this guy, that's not even a word. Dante. Oh, when did I say? Oh, they said to. Oh, they're leaving. No. I checked. Stop! They locked me in. You crazy people! I have to get revenge on them. Hold on. Died. And I am also puking for the second. If you. Now, we have to see the people there. Oh, Bendy says, then. I'm a hacker. That time, I think this is it for this video. If you enjoyed the Bendy, always, subscribe to Bendy. If Bendy has a channel, I'll show it up right now. Like, right now. Come on. I'll show you right now. You gotta check it. Bendy. Is there a channel? Nope, just see some horror stuff. Oh. Then he goes on Amelia. How? Let me just go and scroll to. No, don't subscribe to him. I'm better. He is Alex. You are the worst. Everybody on the channel, say in the comments, "Hey Alex, you're ugly. Hey Alex, you're a loser." And I'll tweet this, and I'll friend Bendy right now. Okay, I have to set something. I have to chat.